How can an Uber or Lyft passenger who suffered injuries in a motor vehicle collision file a lawsuit or bring a personal injury claim against the drivers involved, even though they do not live in the state of Maryland? Well, the answer is simple. If the Uber or Lyft passengers live out of state, meaning not in the state of Maryland, but the accident itself happened in the state of Maryland, that Uber or Lyft passenger can always file a lawsuit and a personal injury claim against all of the drivers involved in the accident in the state of Maryland, in Maryland state or federal courts. In fact, under this scenario, the state of Maryland is the appropriate venue for the Uber or Lyft passengers who are injured to file their lawsuit for compensation. If you have any questions regarding how an Uber or Lyft passenger can bring a personal injury claim in the state of Maryland, feel free to call me. I do this every single day and would love to answer any questions you may have. Thank you.